Eddie Newman dropping his bombs. Fischler Stark. Jerry Fingler. Uh-oh, he's going to have to try over. Oh, he's going to go for it. Eddie's flyby. Doug Crumley. It's 2L takeoff. Charles Baker, T-28. In for a overshoot. I think this is Eddie Newman's landing. Oh, he's down. He's down. Oh, it's a bye-bye. Mr. Baker coming in. Oh boy, look at that. Doug's going to go around. He was on landing approach.
You must look wrong.
Okay, this is Jerry Finger's landing. Excuse me, Doug Crumley. Finger out there. He had some problems and some bad luck. This is Wayne Sewart's new kit he's putting out, the Frank.
Everybody rush on down and get some raffle tickets.
Nice airplane, all fiberglass.
Your Aircraft Association, Chapter 21. They're here in force without their thank you, Chapter 21.
Mr. Hopkins, Miami, Florida. Jerry Sprinkle. He's going to do it this time. Very good. Problems. Very realistic flight, though, I'll tell you. Shailesh Patel, gear collapsed. Jerry's having some engine problems, we think. Starting to sag, it's starting to sag. Jerry, come on, bring it around. Yep, it's going down, it's going down. It's gonna be all right because there's grass out there. Bruce Stark. Steve Ort, taxiing out. Taxi. Greg Singleton.
Has a 77.5-inch wingspan, powered by
Hawker Tempest.
some of the other sponsors that we have for today's event are Tower Radio, Aircraft.
How about that, sports fans? Nice. Okay, Bruce, now let's grease that little jewel in. Oh, he's listening to me. He's listening to me. Okay, Greg's going to go around one more time, I think, and make a landing. Oh, there's beautiful clouds up there. In now. How about that, sports fans? Get out of the way, Werner. Bill Wilson from the state of Washington. Okay, it's gear down for Bill Wilson. Good approach. He's down. He is down. Looks like Steve Ort's coming in with one gear down. Uh-oh, broke a wing. Jerry Sprinkle taxiing out for a takeoff. There he goes. Give her some gas there, Jerry. And he's going to go into the air now. Realistic speed, realistic speed. Nick Tusa has some engine problems. Well, just look at this motley crew we got here.
Here we are in sunny Texas.
Dick Heining and Betty Heining's family.
The Proctor
from Monterey,
Group.
Mexico.
Yes.
From Aurora,
This is
Oregon,
what we
right?
call photo time at the U.S. Scale Masters. Everybody puts their plane out on the center of the runway, and spectators get a chance to take a look at them. That first one's a 28, yours truly. Mike Brewer's Albatross D5A from Astoria, Oregon. My Albatross, yours truly, Portland, Oregon. Chuck Fuller's moving his Stearman. Rich Irvich, Long Island, T6, SNJ.
Rich was to lose this airplane
Tom
later.
Polipink, Long Island, Albatross D5A. We got the Yellow Cub. Don Hatch's Water Bomber. Jerry Sprinkle's 1/3 Cub. And an extra 300, I think that is. Raymond's Swift. Jeff Foley's 0. And Bill McCauley's Jug Thunderbolt. And we got an RT Associates T-34 Mentor. Gun Charlie Nelson's Waco. First Mooney. Corbin Miller's Globe Swift. Ford's Stinson Sentinel. Handsome man that paints his airplanes with house paint. Man after my own heart.
Benjamin Moore.
Hey, latest from Roy Vaillancourt, Vailey Aviation. This is a magnificent bird dog. This is D7, recently repainted again and recovered. T38. Bill Wilson's B25 from Spokane. From Missoula, the flying dentist. Second place winner at Mesa, Arizona, Top Gun 2. Barton, SNJ T6, the retract man. Jet row here, guys, and it's either Kent Nogies or Terry Nitches. Little Phantom, Mr. Foster. Lopez, Sky Raider. From the local area, Dallas. Boy, Eddie Newman's Peaceful Stork. STOL. And from Montezuma, the Spacewalker. Hoagland from Radcliffe, Kentucky, the home of Fort Knox, Spitfire. Looks Nancy's all packed up and ready to travel, Wayne.
You betcha. She's ready to go, Dick. She's admired that way, too.
Guy, he's never on time. He's always late.
He's got
right, Eduardo?
Hello.
Rearwind Sky Ranger.
Yeah.
All the way from Brazil.
Chuck, the great one. Overshoot. Ed Terry, J3 Cub. He's going to follow Chuck. There's Ed there when he's younger. 360 degrees, inverted. Very good, Chuck. Chuck's down. Bill Wilson. Jerry Sprinkle.
Well, this concludes
Brewer.
the Volume 45 Scale Aircraft Show, covering the 92 U.S. Scale Masters Championships held at North Lake Park, Irving, Texas, just outside of Dallas. This is part 1.
There's
Part
Sprinkle.
2 will
Land is
conclude
cut.
on Scale Aviation
This is a
Volume
1/3
46. Tune in next
scale
time,
hydroponic.
guys. See you then.
Very good, Jerry.